Test your knowledge with these 20 U.S. must-know road signs and pass your DMV permit test. Let's jump in. The two-way traffic sign warns that vehicles will be traveling in both directions ahead. The slippery when wet ahead road sign alerts drivers that the road surface may become slippery when wet. The railroad crossing ahead traffic sign warns drivers to stop for approaching trains at a railway crossing. The right shoulder drop-off ahead traffic sign alerts drivers to a sudden drop-off on the right side of the road. The steep grade hill road sign warns drivers of a steep incline or descent ahead. Guess this traffic sign. A. Slippery when wet ahead. B. Winding road. C. Uneven road ahead. The answer is A. Slippery when wet ahead. Identify this road sign. A. Crossbuck with lightning rod. B. Railroad crossing ahead. C. Railroad crossing, crossbuck. The answer is B. Railroad crossing ahead. Which traffic sign is this? A. Narrow two-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic on a one-way. C. Two-way traffic. The answer is C. Two-way traffic. Which road sign warns drivers of bicycles merging into traffic? Spot the correct road sign. A. Steep grade hill. B. Steep descent. C. Steep ascent. The answer is A. Steep grade hill. What is this traffic sign? A. Vehicles may park partially on the verge. B. Soft verges. C. Right shoulder drop off ahead. The answer is C. Right shoulder drop off ahead. The divided highway begins road sign informs drivers that the road ahead will be split by a barrier. The lane ends merge left sign warns that the right lane ends ahead and drivers must merge into the adjacent lane. The bicycle slippery when wet ahead traffic sign warns cyclists the road may be slippery when wet. The narrow two-way traffic sign warns of a narrow road ahead with traffic in both directions. The narrow underpass road sign warns drivers of a reduced-width bridge or tunnel ahead. Identify this traffic sign. A. Slippery when wet ahead. B. Bicycle slippery when wet ahead. C. Hill, bike. The answer is B. Bicycle slippery when wet ahead. Which road sign is shown here? A. Divided highway begins. B. Divided highway ends. C. Interior lane shift right. The answer is A. Divided highway begins. Guess this traffic sign. A. Narrow bridge. B. Low clearance. C. Narrow underpass. The answer is C. Narrow underpass. Can you spot the interior lane shift right traffic sign? Identify this road sign. A. Two-way traffic. B. Narrow two-way traffic. C. Pass either side to reach destination. The answer is B. Narrow two-way traffic. Spot the correct traffic sign. A. Lane ends merge, left. B. Lane ends merge, right. C. Traffic merging from the right. The answer is A. Lane ends merge left. The bicycles merging traffic sign alerts drivers to watch for bicycles merging into traffic. The motorcycle plaque road sign indicates that the warning ahead specifically applies to motorcycles. The divided highway ends traffic sign warns drivers that the road divider is ending. The chevron left road sign warns of a sharp curve bending to the left. The lane ends merge right traffic sign warns that the left lane ends ahead, and drivers must merge into the adjacent lane. What is this traffic sign? A. Interior lane shift right. B. Divided highway begins. C. Divided highway ends. The answer is C. Divided highway ends. Identify this road sign. A. Motorcycle, plaque. B. Bike route. C. Bike lane. The answer is A. Motorcycle plaque. Which traffic sign is this? A. Bicycle route. B. US bicycle route. C. Bicycles merging. The answer is C. Bicycles merging. Identify the slippery when wet ahead road sign. Spot this road sign. A. Lane ends merge left. B. Lane ends merge right. C. Traffic merging from right. The answer is B. Lane ends merge right. Guess this traffic sign. A. Chevron left. B. Chevron right. C. Chevron marker. The answer is A. Chevron left. The interior lane shift right road sign warns drivers that traffic lanes will shift to the right ahead. The bicycle lane ends traffic sign warns that the bicycle lane is coming to an end. The hill bike road sign warns cyclists of a steep incline or descent ahead. The crosswinds road sign warns drivers of strong side winds that may affect vehicle control. The golf cart traffic sign alerts drivers that golf carts share the road ahead. Identify this traffic sign. A. Pedal cycles prohibited. B. Bicycle crossing. C. Bicycle lane ends. The answer is C. Bicycle lane ends. What is this road sign? A. Agricultural vehicles. B. Golf cart. C. Farm vehicle. The answer is B. Golf cart. Spot this traffic sign. A. Crosswinds sign. B. Side winds ahead. C. Dangerous crosswinds. The answer is A. Crosswinds sign. Identify the narrow underpass road sign. Which road sign is this? A. Keep right of obstacle. B. Reverse curve, right. C. Interior lane shift right. The answer is C. Interior lane shift right. Identify this traffic sign. A. Steep grade hill. B. Hill, bike. C. Steep descent. The answer is B. Hill, bike. Are you ready for the quick rapid-fire challenge? 20 signs, 3 seconds each. Can you spot them all before time runs out? Let's find out. Guess this road sign? Yes, it's the steep grade hill sign. Which traffic sign is this? Correct. That is the narrow two-way traffic sign. Identify this road sign? You got it. It's the divided highway begin sign. Guess this traffic sign? It's the bicycle lane end sign. What is this road sign? That's right. It's the two-way traffic sign. Which road sign is this? Correct. That is the interior lane shift right sign. Guess this road sign? Yes, it's the slippery when wet ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign? You got it. That's the bicycle slippery when wet ahead sign. Which traffic sign is this? Exactly. It's the divided highway end sign. Guess this road sign? Correct. That is the chevron left sign. What is this traffic sign? Yes, it's the bicycles merging sign. Identify this traffic sign? It's the railroad crossing ahead sign. Which road sign is this? Correct. That is the right shoulder drop-off ahead sign. Guess this traffic sign? Exactly. It's the hill bike sign. What is this road sign? Yes, it's the narrow underpass sign. Identify this road sign? You got it. It's the lane ends merge right sign. Which traffic sign is this? Correct. That is the motorcycle plaque sign. Guess this road sign? Exactly. It's the crosswind sign. What is this traffic sign? Yes, it's the lane ends merge left sign. Identify this road sign? You got it. It's the golf cart sign. Thanks for watching. If you want to increase your chances of passing your DMV test, subscribe for weekly quizzes, driving tips, and road sign lessons. Tap on one of the videos on your screen to keep practicing more road signs before test day. Stay safe. See you in the next video.